Alright, here's another example. So again, I always start by trying to simplify what I can simplify, put together what I can put together. I look on the left hand side of the equal sign. All there is a negative 116. There's nothing to do there because it's already simplified. It's already by itself. Okay, I look on the right hand side. This negative 2m I'm going to bring on down, because if you remember, your order of operations is PEMDAS. So, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, PEMDAS, whatever you were taught earlier. That P stands for parentheses, which means I need to hit the parentheses first. Notice I cannot add these two up. That's a 1, that's a 3m. They're not like terms. That's got an m, that doesn't. So don't be tempted to add this 1 and the 3 and get 4m. That can't work. They're not like terms. But remember what parentheses mean. Whenever I have a number touching parentheses, it means this number multiplies everything on the inside. And also notice this minus sign, which is attached to the 4. That negative sign, that minus sign, is part of the 4. They're attached. So when I do this multiplication, I must do negative 4 times 1, which is just minus 4. And then I must do negative 4 times 3m, which is just negative 12m. Okay, so I got rid of the parentheses. And now I just have to finish this off. Now on the right hand side, I'm going to put together my like terms. I have negative 2m minus 12m. I cannot put those with the negative 4 because these have m's and that doesn't. So negative 2m minus 12m becomes a minus 14m, and I just bring down the negative 4. So I put together these two terms. Now I only have negative 116 equals negative 14m minus 4. Again, I'm trying to get this letter all by itself. I want everything on the other side. Again, think of that equal sign as the line. If you want to draw the line, draw the line. So I need to move this minus 4, this negative 4, to the other side. And again, I always do the opposite. So if that's a minus 4, I add 4 over there, and I add 4 over there. So negative 116 plus 4 is negative 112. I bring down the negative 14m, and again, negative 4 plus 4, those just add up to 0, so they just sort of go away. And now I have one last step. This negative 14 is touching the m. That means multiplication. So to get the negative 14 off of the m, I do the opposite, which is division. So I divide both sides by negative 14. Negative 14 divided by negative 14 is just 1, and 1 times m is just m. So I just have the m over there. And over here I have negative 112 divided by negative 14. I can use my calculator to get that, and I'll get that 8 equals m. And then I can plug this 8 back into this m, and I can double check and confirm that it is the right answer.